everyone and welcome to Santa Margherita Ligure. Santa Margherita Ligure is a charming and picturesque Italian seaside town with clear seawater and close to Portofino. What are the best things to do in Santa Margherita? The fortress dates back to 17th century and it was built to defend the village against Saracens' incursions. Right in front of the castle you will see the Church of Capuchin, characterized by the typical black and white striped facade. If you follow the stairway towards Villa Durazzo, you'll reach the Church of Saint Giacomo della Corte. Spend some time relaxing in Villa Durazzo, surrounded by gardens in a typical Italian style. Santa Margherita is very well placed for exploring the eastern Liguria coast. You can reach Portofino just by walking. With a boat trip, you can visit the Abbey of San Fruttuoso. Be sure to also visit Rapallo and Camogli, while to reach the lovely villages of Cinque Terre, you can take a train. Don't forget to subscribe to my travel channel.